Have you ever wondered why some people swear by intermittent fasting while others say calorie counting is the only way to lose weight? Or maybe you've tried everything keto, low fat, low carb, yet the scale won't move. Today, we're diving into real science to uncover what actually works for lasting weight loss. Every major study agrees on one thing: you can't lose weight without a calorie deficit. A New England Journal of Medicine trial found that whether participants followed intermittent fasting or regular calorie restriction, both groups lost less than 5% of their body weight in a year. That means a 200-pound person might lose only 10 pounds. Proof that consistency matters more than quick fixes. Intermittent fasting has become a huge trend, but does it outperform normal dieting? A 2020 meta-analysis of 27 trials found that fasting helped people lose between 0.8% and 13% of their weight. Yet, when compared to traditional calorie cutting, the long-term results were almost identical. The real benefit of fasting is that it helps you eat less naturally, not that it burns more fat magically. When it comes to diet type, the age-old low-carb versus low-fat debate has a clear conclusion. Meta-analysis from The Lancet and Cochrane database found that low-carb diets only outperform low-fat by about 1.3 kilograms, roughly 3 pounds. And that advantage disappears after a year. The key isn't the diet itself, but whether you can stick with it long-term. Now, exercise alone won't transform your body overnight. A 2024 meta-analysis showed that noticeable results require at least 150 minutes of activity weekly. But when combined with a calorie-controlled diet, the results are powerful. Participants lost an average of 6 kilograms more than those who did nothing. So, what does science say is the best plan? Keep a small calorie deficit, eat protein with every meal, exercise regularly, get 7 or 8 hours of sleep, and follow habits you can maintain for months. There's no magic trick, just consistent effort supported by research. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next one. 7 science-backed foods that help you burn fat naturally. Remember, the best diet isn't the one that's trendy, it's the one you can sustain for life.